Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Val. We are still at Shooters, Utawala area. So I'm going to showcase a one-bedroom apartment in Utawala, Shooters. Have a look and tell me what you think in the comment section down below. If you just bumped into this video, welcome very much. Karibu sana. Please consider subscribing. If you're a subsequent subscriber, thanks a lot for the love. Thank you for the support. Please keep watching my content. We are viewing the living room area, guys, at the moment. This house is not so far from the road. It's very near, and there are churches around. Social amenities, to be precise, are all available within this area. So right now we're viewing the living room area, or the sitting room if you like. Tell me what you think so far. So we can see the kitchen right in front of us. Let's head to the kitchen. That's the kitchen, guys. So I guess this is the bedroom. Let's have a look. I think I love these tiles. What do you think, guys? They're pretty. Okay, there's no wardrobe, but I guess this can do, or what do you think? And they made up for that with a little miniature rack. So there you go, that's the bedroom. So away from that, go to the washroom area. But before that, there's a mirror here. There's a sink. I love the way the bathroom area has been partitioned. It's a little bit dark, but I guess because of the weather, it's raining, guys. So it's a bit gloomy, but the lighting is just okay. I guess it's like this because of the weather. What do you think, guys? Would you consider? Let's just have a small recap of the house we've just viewed. It's 12,000 shillings only, and I think it's quite affordable considering what they are offering. Water is 150 shillings per month, and there's no deposit for water. You just use, you will pay for what you shall have used. So when entering the house, you'll just pay 24,000 shillings. That is the rent and the deposit for the house. The house is 12,000 shillings per month. I've told you it's not far from the road. The lighting is good. There are schools around. Social amenities are very okay around the area. So consider subscribing if you've not subscribed, to be able to be viewing these and much more of such houses. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. So guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.